Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is Tom with Cook With Jax. Check out our cooking, grilling, and smoking videos. We plan on helping you unleash the flavor in every bite of your culinary and your cooking dishes that you create. We're going to make it easy. We're going to make it fun. You're going to make some mistakes along the way, but that's okay. We're going to do it together. Started on that journey together by joining the Rib Revolution, our first video that's on TikTok and YouTube. It's a great place to get started. Wonderful tips in there to help you really take your cooking to the next level, be it whatever style it is, but we're going to go on that journey together. One of the other things that Cook With Jax does is we produce a great premium product spice line and rubs, no MSGs, and they're all gluten-free. We believe in flavor. It's not about salt, but it is about flavor. So unleash the flavor in every bite. All right, folks, so make sure to subscribe and follow us on YouTube at Cook With Jax, TikTok, Jax Seasonings, and don't forget Facebook and Instagram at Cook With Jax. Together, we're going to unleash the flavor.